Today we're removing the front speakers from a 200SX. See our website for color codes in the removal section. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the one screw in the pocket on the control panel. Pry the back edge of this panel up and pull backwards to release the front edge. This will allow you to pull the panel up, release the trigger on the connector, and remove the connector. With a pry tool, pry the trim ring from around the door handle away from the door and remove. There are screws along the front, bottom, and back of this panel. These are plastic screws. Sometimes you have to hold the base to allow the screw to release. Any forward pressure tends to push the screw back into the door panel. With these screws released, grasp the bottom of the door panel, pull it back away from the door. Be sure the door handle opening passes through the door. Lift the door panel up out of the window jamb and remove. Remove the speaker. Release the connector. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.